Hello everyone, this is Larry Strelecki from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for June 2017. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the major headlines that influenced the markets in May. We hope this information offers insight into what these developments might mean for you as an investor. Now, the economy has sped up a bit during spring. In April, consumer spending rose 0.4%, its biggest gain since December. Spending was aided by rising incomes and tax refunds. Lower inflation reflected in decreasing oil prices also gave households extra bolster. Even with a curb in inflation, the Federal Reserve sent a strong signal June 1st that it will raise interest rates in June and soon begin shredding some of its $4.5 trillion in bond holdings. Now, experts give little indication that the U.S. economy will reach its 3% growth this year, with health care and tax reform still stymied in Congress. There are expected surges in infrastructure spending. Now, according to the Fed's recently released Beige Book, a summary of economic conditions in the United States by the Federal Reserve District, districts showed falling prices for certain final goods, including groceries, apparel, and autos. Job creation, on the other hand, surged in May due to a jump in construction positions and a boom in professional and business services. Private payrolls increased by 253,000, ahead of expectations. Economists expect this report to show that private payrolls grew by 185,000 in May from 174,000 in April. Experts predict that the unemployment rate, now 4.4%, is headed to 4%. Now, even with all the uncertainty, the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ were all on track to post monthly gains. Tech-heavy NASDAQ gained 2.5 in May and posted a 7-month winning streak, the longest streak since 2013. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ closed lower on May 31st after financials dropped 0.8%. Treasury yields fell steeply compared to where they began trading in 2017. Now, on May 31st, the benchmark 10-year yield hung near 2.19%. It started the year near 2.5%. The Chicago Board Options Exchange, the CBOE, Volatility Index, or VIX, which is widely considered the best gauge of fear in the market, traded near 10.4. The Commerce Department said durable goods orders fell 0.7% in April after rising 2.3% in March. This was the first downturn since durable goods orders fell 4.6% in November. Orders for transportation equipment fell 1.2%, pulled down by a 9.2% drop in orders for civilian aircraft. The Consumer Confidence Index, which previously decreased in April, it fell again in May. But U.S. consumers are still fairly optimistic overall. The index now stands at 117.9, mostly in line with what economists expected for May. The Consumer Confidence Index last fell to 120.3 in April after hitting 125.6 in March, which was its highest level since December 2000. Economists closely watch the mood of consumers because their spending makes up about 70% of the U.S. economic activity, or the GDP. In the coming month, we'll be watching the second quarter. Though economists are all over the place regarding how much improvement will occur, the overall outlook is expected to improve. We'll also keep close watch on how decisions concerning the Paris Accord on climate change may affect trade with other countries. If you want more guidance on approaching your financial needs or balancing your assets and liabilities in this current environment, we're here to talk. Well, that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give me a call at 847-426-1077, and I'd be happy to talk. See you again next month. Once again, this is Larry Strzelecki with Assured Concepts Group signing off for the month of June 2017.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.